to get my makeup done for the wedding. Don't check my locks yet. My hair's not done. But check out my sister's locks. Hold on, let's see. My sister's getting married! Less than 2 hours until the wedding. Say hi.
Hi.
It's getting real. It's getting real. So we're about to start taking pictures and stuff, and it looks so pretty in here. You see the wedding reception area, and apparently it's blazing hot outside. So I'm really excited to go outside and be super hot and take pictures. But for my sister, I'll do anything. So CJ, you want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hey, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face.
Hey guys, Danielle here. The wedding is officially over. I had just arrived home. It's like a 45-minute drive to where the venue was. I'm about to take this makeup off and get myself together. The kids are all winding down. They fell asleep in the car, but now they, of course, aren't tired. But I'm tired. I've been up since 6 o'clock. My sister had a beautiful wedding. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog, but it is time for me to wash my face and try to get these lashes off. If y'all know any tips and tricks, I heard put oil on them. So I'm gonna put some oil on them. This is the first time I've ever did this. But let me know what you think about my makeup. They had a makeup artist, so if I didn't have these bracelets on, I would be feeling my stuff. Anyway, good night. Bye guys.